Hello guys, welcome to Abipravi. In this video, we're going to see about the online classroom. So this is an online classroom which is called as the GDB. And here, what you're just going to do is you need to log in. So you need to log in the page. Okay, so you need to log in with this page. So I just have logged in. I already logged in, so you need to log in here. After that, what you're just going to do is just click on classrooms, and here in classroom you just type in classroom section. You need to type Abipravi. So this is a new classroom. So just a second, I'm just going to create a new account, and just you if you want a new one. Okay, so just going to click on register. Just delete all this one. So just enter the usernames and passwords. Okay, after that click on register now. If you are already registered, just click on login. I have just login. In the classroom, just type this classroom name, Abipravi, and you know what you need to do is to select the classroom role as student, not as teacher. Okay, then only you can able to join in my classroom. In my classroom, click on Abipravi, and here I just have posted the assignment. This assignment was given on yesterday. Okay, it was given with me. Oh, okay, so in this assignment, what you're going to do is just click on this function. Okay, so just click on here. If this is in my, so I just click in preview mode. So this is your assignment. What you're just going to do is just create a function in Python that plays all values inside the list using the pop function. So I have already sent this, given this assignment, isn't it? So just write the solution here. This is the solution area. What you needed to do is just write the solution. Okay, there will be lot of time for this assignment. Okay, so I just given a year for 1 year. Okay, for this assignment, and so you need to write the answer assignment and click on run. After that, uh, submit the assignment to my classroom page. So daily I will be add only one assignment to this page. So here after that, you just click on learn programming. You can also able to learn the C and C++ programming language here. I also okay, so I also post some programming questions also here. So you are also able to solve these programming questions and earn money. Like here, so wait a second. So let us solve problem. Example problem. What is an array? So I am new to C++ and I see the word array a lot. So I wanna know this meaning. Okay, so I'm just array stores stores many values of same data type. Okay, so this is the array definition, and value of the array can be accessed by the index. Okay, index 0 to n minus 1. So this is the array definition, and I'm just going to bold this. Okay, just a bolded, and so this is the definition of array which I knows. Okay, so array is a collection of data similar to data types. The with the percentage of the more. Okay, so that mostly they are given. Okay, so this is the short and sweet definitions. Okay, what you needed to do is, if someone asks a question at any instance of time, just give a short and sweet definition. So I just had added answer. Okay, your answer will be checked shortly and approved. Suppose array stores many values of same data type. The value of array can be accessed by the index 0 to n minus 1. So let us, so all are having array is a collection of variables with the same data type. Array is a data structure which can store a fixed size of collection of elements at the same data type. So like that is just how told here. This is GDB, online GDB. You can ask questions, you can answer questions. Okay, you can do assignments, you can do projects. Okay, you can do projects here. You can also create a new project here by selecting some of the programming languages. Okay, so I know three programming languages, which is C, C++, and Python, and also JavaScript. I do projects based on these three programming languages. So this is a very useful online GDB.